Hello. Gonna show you a video of a fantastic glass cleaner that is super duper easy to make. And it's with vinegar and Blue Dawn, or you can even use Thieves Cleaner. So this little recipe here is what us cleaners like to call Dawnegar, obviously because of the Dawn and the vinegar. If you remember the Exxon Valdez spill in the 90s, Blue Dawn, specifically the blue one, I don't know what is in the recipe with the blue one, that the other colors aren't as great at it, but the Blue Dawn dish soap is fantastic at cutting out grease. And vinegar is acidic, so that's fantastic at cutting out soap. So you get the two together and it's just a great shower door glass cleaner. Now, if you don't like Blue Dawn and you want to try a more eco-friendly approach, you can use Thieves Cleaner with the vinegar too. And if you don't like the smell of the vinegar, even after you mix the Thieves in it or the Blue Dawn, add some essential oils. You don't even need to use water with this, really. Some people do dilute it a little bit with water. I don't. I like to just do the half and half recipe and then just play with essential oils. So I'm going to show you how to do it with the Thieves Cleaner because I already have a bottle of Dawnegar, which I don't have on me right now. I left it somewhere, but I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super crazy easy. Like I said, you can use Blue Dawn or the Thieves Cleaner, or even the Thieves dishwashing soap too. So it's literally half and half. So this is a 16-ounce bottle, glass bottle. You can use plastic if you're going to use the Thieves Cleaner in it, but get a commercial grade hard plastic at Home Depot, not a flimsy dollar store, because the oils in the Thieves can eventually erode really thin, crappy, cheap plastic. Now this comes in a plastic bottle, so obviously you have to get a very, very thick commercial grade plastic. If you're going to use the Blue Dawn, you don't have to worry about that because it doesn't have essential oils in it. So this is a glass bottle. It's 16 ounces, so I'm going to do about half vinegar, half Blue Dawn. I'll probably come about up to here. And then I'll just add some oils just to give it a better scent. And I'm going to go with orange and tea tree today. I find that even if I did the Blue Dawn, I find that citrus oils smell really good against vinegar and Dawn. I don't know what it is, but it makes it even more citrusy in a way. And then Thieves Cleaner too smells great with citrus oils because it has lemon in it anyway. So you're already going on that citrus family. So about half. You can use a measuring cup if you like. By the way, I have it X'd out to know that this is just for making my cleaning stuff and not for like baking. Even though I clean it out, I don't want to like reuse it for food. So just regular white distilled vinegar, not apple cider or, you know, red wine vinegar, just good old fashioned white distilled vinegar. And like I said, if you're going to do the Blue Dawn, you do half and half. And now with the Thieves Cleaner, this is actually concentrated, so I'm probably not going to do half. I'm going to do maybe a little bit under a half because it is very strong because it's concentrated. I'm not even diluting it. So I just put it in there. Oh, see, it smells already so great. The good thing is that what I love about the Thieves Cleaner is that it really masks the scent of the vinegar. The Blue Dawn does as well, but I find not as much because it has a distinct Dawn smell where, like I said, the citrus really goes well with the vinegar, I find. And then you take that off. I like to smell everything. And then, you know, if you want to add some essential oils, I just like to put, I got maybe about 10, maybe about 15 drops of the orange in there. And I'm going to go with tea tree. Orange oil is great for cleansing the air. And so is tea tree. And tea tree also has a lot of antimicrobial and antibacterial and disinfecting properties in it. Oh, I love the smell of tea tree. It smells so fresh. So yeah, and the best part is you don't even smell the vinegar. At this point, you don't even smell it. So that's how it would look with your Thieves and vinegar solution. Nice little shake. There you go. And if you did it with the Blue Dawn, it would have a blue color. I've done it with the Blue Dawn, and I like to add peppermint. I don't know. Or spearmint or wintergreen. I like to give it more of a minty smell. I don't know if it's the blue reminds me of the ocean, and then I think of mint. I don't know how those two go together. But anyway, so that's how you would make Dawnegar. You literally would go half vinegar, half Blue Dawn, or in this case, I did half vinegar and probably a little under half of Thieves Cleaner, the concentrate, so it's not watered down. And I didn't even put water. If you want to put water, you can, but I don't find a necessity for it, because you really want the acidic power of the vinegar and the Thieves or the Dawn to really cut through grease and soap. Also, one more thing. Because vinegar is acidic, I do not recommend, and since it's not watered down either, it is like straight up vinegar, as you saw, do not and avoid spraying it directly on natural wood, marble, natural stone, quartz, granite, because the acid over time, or even quickly, depending on how much you spray, will eat away at the finish. And you don't want to ruin your wood finish. You don't want to ruin your quartz, your marble, your granite. You don't want to ruin that. And if you own a cleaning business, you don't do that. I've heard of people that do that, and then they're stuck with like, oh, there's this big white patch that, you know, it just ate away. So, and you can't really repair that. It's not like you can clean that off because it's actually eaten away at the product. So that has to be like redone. So don't do that. Vinegar is acidic. I think it's like 7.2. So know what you're using. Great for glass, shower glass doors. Spray, 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 spray. Get a good scrubber, like a Brillo pad, the green ones, or those black stainless steel ball ones. And, you know, once you spray it on really good, scrub it off and then rinse it off with water. If you're doing a shower glass that's around, like in the base of it would be marble, you know, get a towel. And so you avoid spraying it on the marble. And if you do touch it, wipe it right off. Or don't even go to that bottom area if you can avoid it. Or maybe just spray it on a scrubber. So like that, you have more control of the solution. So yeah, so keep that in mind with vinegar. And with citrus oils, for example, orange and the lemon that's in the Thieves Cleaner, citrus oils are cold pressed from the rind, the peel of the orange, not the pulp. The pulp is what's acidic, not the rind. So orange oil, lime, lemon, what other citrus oils are there? Orange, lemon, and lime, really, right? Orange, lemon, lime, I think. They are not acidic. You may automatically think they are because, you know, when you drink lemon, like, you know, it's tart, it's acidic, but it's not because it's cold pressed from the rind and not the pulp. So you're safe on that. The vinegar is what you need to worry about because it is acidic. And the Blue Dawn obviously is not acidic because it's dish soap. So if you're going to do the Dawnegar, get the blue one. For whatever reason, the blue one works a lot better than the orange or the yellow or whatever other colors that Blue Dawn or that Dawn comes in. So that's the recipe for Dawnegar. Pretty awesome and ready to go. And I like to add oils in it just for better scent and more cleaning power. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, comments, subscribe to my channel, check out my Facebook page, check out my Instagram. I have a lot more videos on there and a lot more that I'm working on. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything else, drop me a line and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.